Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya. For any of you that are new, in today's video I'll be installing this unit as well as giving you a review on it. Today's hair comes from BeautyForever hair, so I do want to say thank you to them for sending over today's wig. Before we jump into the video, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell as well so you'll be notified when I upload, and you can also follow me on my other socials. They'll be here on my screen as well as in my description bar below. Now let's go ahead and jump into today's video. Alright guys, so ignore my nails right now. I'm about to redo them actually, but I just wanted to show you guys what this unit looks like coming straight out of the package. So we have the 5x5 lace base here, and I am going to go ahead and bleach this. I do like though how it came already parted. It looks like really honestly ready to go and ready to wear, but I am going to bleach it so I can have more of a natural hairline here. And to bleach this hair, I'll be using this L'Oreal Quick Blue Extra Strength powder bleach, and then I'm also going to use, because this is the only one I have, usually I would use one a little bit lower in volume. I probably use the 30 usually, but this is the only one I have right now because I need to restock up. But I have this 40 volume developer, so I won't leave it on as long because it will bleach a little bit faster, but I'll use these two today to bleach my wig. Alright you guys, so this is about as much as I'm going to use for right now. This is about almost a cup scoopful. This is what comes in the container of the bleach. Then I'm going to use my 40 volume developer, and I'm just going to pour a little bit at a time because I actually don't want it to be too runny, because then that's when it will bleach over onto your lace, and that causes issues, causes an over bleached lace that we do not need. And for the 5x5 lace, this is what we have right here, and we're going to see if I can make this amount stretch onto the amount of lace space we have. If not, then I'll be adding a little bit more just to fill up the lace. Alright y'all, so here is the finished look after getting it all installed and all that good stuff. So tell me what you guys are thinking. I tried to make this unit look as natural as possible, and I think we kind of got it there. So definitely let me know what you think in the comment section below. I'm going to read off some of the wig information. It will also be in my description bar below. But this is the Body Wave 5x5 HD lace wig, and it is 24 inches long. We got some 24-inch tresses here, and it is also 180% density. She is definitely nice and thick and full for the length and the amount of hair on this wig. It all balances out very, very nice. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, there will be a coupon code in my description bar. I'll also place it here on the screen for you as well. So just to jump into like how the wig came out of the packaging, it was super duper pretty. We have the 5x5 lace base. I did show you guys a little bit behind the scenes of how I prep my units with lace. My human hair units with lace, I use my bleach powder and my developer and kind of make it into a toothpaste kind of consistency. I don't want it to be too runny so that it doesn't bleed onto the hair and cause my hair to be like brassy and orange. So it definitely bleached the hair pretty well. This unit also was plucked pretty nice on the hairline. I did pluck it just a little bit more, but once I like put it on and was like inspecting it some, I could tell that the lace was pretty plucked on its own already. But it definitely laid down really flat after we added some heat. The curls, they curled very, very pretty. I wanted more so of a loose, kind of careless curl look, and I definitely think we aced it here. It's holding the curl very nicely. This hair is so nice and shiny and just it feels very healthy is how I would describe it. It's so nice and shiny and sheen, so I really love the texture of it. The unit also has 2 combs right here in the front. You also get one in the back with some adjustable straps. I didn't use them today, but it definitely fits my head pretty well. I wouldn't necessarily put it in like big head friendly, but I feel like it stretches, but it felt like it fit my head perfectly without doing anything extra to it. So take that how you will. It's kind of big head friendly, but I feel like I like myself. I feel like I got a big head, so if it fits my head just right, you know, that's how I feel about that. I'll also give you guys a 360 view of today's wig. So this is what the front is looking like. Super pretty. Here is a left side view, as well as a right side view, and I'm gonna give you a back view, okay? So if you guys are interested in the unit, make sure you check out my description bar. I'll have the direct link there for you. But I think that pretty much touches on everything about the units. If you have any questions, like I always say, leave in my comment section below and I'll be happy to answer them for you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you again to BeautyForever here for sending over today's wig, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye y'all.